Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here, and welcome to the new update on KDA. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that KDA first broke down the support of a triangle, and after that, it broke out a down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, we had a nice move to the upside, but could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel that was here at the top of the channel, and it got rejected by this down trend line resistance and also by this resistance of 68 cents. That is, by the way, a quite long-term resistance, and I will show you this resistance on a 7 days time frame chart as well. And after this rejection, the price then dropped down and tested this point. That is the recent single point before the breakout from this channel, that is approximately at 40 cents, and still it is getting accumulated here. At the same time, there was a double bullish divergence signal also flashed as the price then formed lower than previous low. But at the same time, if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see that it was also entered the oversold zone and it was forming higher low than previous low. And even if we take a look at the stochastic, then it was also forming slightly higher low than previous low, and the price then followed this bullish divergence signal and geared up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Hook protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of KDA, and first of all let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And you can see that a few days ago it was moving inside this descending triangle. We broke it down, then we had a big drop. But at the same time, the price line was also moving inside this bullish fast pattern. That was a down channel, and we broke it out as well. And from this low to here, that was more than 78% pump, but the price then found another down trend line resistance here. You can see we got rejection here, we got rejection here, and now recently we have also broken down this support zone that starts from 53 cents and goes to 50 cents. That was previously breaking as a support zone here. After the breakdown here for a few days, it had been breaking as a resistance, and now again it is breaking as a resistance. At the same time, there was also a double bullish divergence signal flash as the price line formed a lower than previous low, but RSI was forming higher low than previous low, and stochastic was also forming higher low than previous low, and both oscillators were also entered the oversold zone, and the price then followed this bullish divergence signal and geared up, and now it needs to break out this resistance on once again. That starts from 50 cents and goes to 53 cents, and then soon it can hit this long-term resistance of 68 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 68 cents, this level, has been previously working as a resistance here, and before that for several weeks it had been working as a resistance here as well, and therefore again it can work. In fact, recently here it was also working as a resistance, and again it can work as a strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at 85 cents, and over there we have another very strong and key resistance that had been previously working as a support here for several weeks, a month, and now again it is working as a resistance after the breakdown. And now if we take a look at this upcoming resistance that starts from 50 cents and goes to 53 cents, it had been recently working as support here, and before that it had been working as a support here as well, and here for a few weeks it had been working as a resistance. Therefore this can be another very significant resistance as well. Now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and I'm expecting that as soon as the price and breaks out this key resistance, this one at 85 cents, then soon it can start a very massive rally to hit the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and that long-term technical target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.